Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Thread apps analytics to grow faster. If you want to hit 1k, 10k or more followers, you need to track what's working. Here's how to do it inside the app. First of all, switch to a personal account, open the Threads app, go to your profile, click on the two dots option and then go to account. Now here you should be seeing the account type options. Well, Threads keeps changing where the personal account slash analytics option lives, so you might not see the account type in your menu. Here's how it works now on iPhone. Now if you already linked Threads to your Instagram, you should see switch to personal account, same as Instagram's business slash creator setup. If it does not appear, it usually means Meta has not rolled it out yet on your region. Since Thread is tied to Instagram, you can switch your Instagram account to personal, professional, creators as business in the Instagram app, which I have already done. So if once you do it, you'll see the professional dashboard option here, and yeah, once you do it, Threads will automatically pull in analytics insights tied to that account. Quick check after switching back to Threads, open any of your posts, and then you should now see view insights under them, like impression, follows or gains. Now if you do have those options, what you're gonna do is open your profile and then tap on the insights button under your post. You'll see number like impressions, likes and comments, followers from post, how many followers that gained you, and look at which post brought the most engagement. Was it memes, polls, or quick taken on trends? Double down on what works. Check your weekly and monthly growth charts. If engagement dips, adjust your posting time or content style. Post at different times. Test shorts versus long posts, and track with formats given the best reach. Use that data to refine your strategy. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.